Hello guys, welcome to another video Tech Therapy Guy. Today I'm gonna give you a little bit of tips and tricks about Windows 10. Um, some basics that some of you guys probably won't know, and some of you guys will get confused sometimes when we're doing stuff on Windows 10. And like one of the ideas that I like to show is right here we have all our icons, and sometimes we want to clear this instead of deleting it delete all these icons, we can actually hide the icons so we don't have to see it, especially when we're doing some type of recorder or project. Um, what you guys can do is just right click in the middle of the desktop and view. You guys tell to show right now, show desktop icons. It's check mark. But if you guys uncheck that, like you guys see, all the icons, they're not deleted, they just hiding. So you have your desktop totally clear. Now, if you right click again and you go show this item icons, I'm sorry, now you have all the icons in it. Another thing too, you guys can arrangement. Sometimes people tends to put icons anywhere you want and automatically put it the order that they are set up. But now we want to move it and we want to put it our own way. Everybody has their own way to put the icons on the desktop. If you uncheck the auto arrange icons, now you can actually get the folders and move it anywhere you want. Let's see if you want to separate it the way you want. Put all your Chrome's extensions right here, um, folders in here, and you can arrange them the way you want. But you don't want it that way. You want all to the left side, or the right side. You just click on it again in view, and you put auto arrange icons, and they go back in here. Another question that I get sometimes is, I'm getting a new software and I go into the Internet Explorer or the folder to see my files, but I'm looking for the executable file to run so I can do the installation. And sometimes we see it shows the name but no the extension. Our easy fix is we want to view the extension of the file if it's a JPEG executable file. So where we go is here and say view. You click view and you show right here check what it say file name extension. You click the file name extension, and now we have all the extensions of the files. Now we know these all are MP4s, and any documents or any executable file you will see it right here. You don't want to see it, you just uncheck again, and all the extensions disappear. I get that question a lot because a lot of people say, I got a bunch of files, I don't know which one to run, I don't know which one to double click, and usually the file for installation is an executable file. The extension ends in .exe. So this way we can actually see it. Some Windows by default doesn't show the extensions, so we just go again view and click on file name extensions. Also, with there some files there by default they're hiding, so you don't see it. But you click, you uncheck the hiding files, so you will see files there. They've been hiding in the folder. Another question too that I get is, I want to create a shortcut here, but I don't know where to go, how to create it. Like sometimes we go to the start menu and we see a file here, and we want to create a shortcut. But the problem is how we create a shortcut if we have to put the executable file, the file to open the software. But we don't. If you right click, it won't give us the option to create a shortcut on the desktop. The easy way is you select which one do you want. Let's see, we want to put let's go back here. DaVinci Resolve, one of the applications that I use to do editing of the videos. If you right click on it, you go more and select open file location. What I mean is we want to see where all the files of DaVinci Resolve are. So you right click more, open file locations, and now have the file locations right here. Now we don't know which one it is. Again, we go to view, file extensions, they click, and they're both shortcuts, but we want the shortcut in the desktop. There's two easy ways. One, you can actually minimize and you right click on it and click send to the desktop as a shortcut and creates a shortcut. But we already have a shortcut in it, so we don't need two shortcuts. Or you can actually click on it once, and you drag it to desktop and move to desktop as a shortcut. If you right click, you move it here, and it will ask you, do you want to copy here, move it here, or create a shortcut here? That's another way. Another question that I have to, that I get, that I get in emails is open up a page and Chrome, for example. We have a Chrome right here, and we go to a specific page. Let's see, you go to Yahoo. Okay, we're here in Yahoo, but we want a shortcut in our desktop with the Yahoo. They assume we click on our Chrome application, it takes us straight to there. The easy way is you're gonna click on the name of the site. This case will be yahoo.com. Right click, you copy it, and then you go right here, right click in your mouse, and you're gonna create a new. You tell a new shortcut. It's gonna open this menu where you're gonna put the address that you copy. In this case was yahoo.com. You click paste, yahoo.com. Next, here you're gonna name it. Use the Yahoo site and finish. Now remember, if your default browser is Chrome, it's gonna automatically put the browser Chrome browser icon on it. So if we finish, now we have a site says Yahoo site. So next time we click on it, it's gonna go take us straight to Yahoo. If we have as a default, let's see Microsoft Edge or another browser that we use, we have preference like Mozilla or etc. Internet Explorer. In this case, would be Edge, the new one. It will pull that one automatically. Now, how you guys want to change that? If you guys want to use another browser, you have to change the default. How you change the default? The easy way, you click right here in the bar, and you type default apps. Now we have default apps right here, and here will show us which browsers we want to set the default. In this case, web browser, our default is Chrome. If you click, they will give you the options. Or you want to use Microsoft Edge as a default, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge again, and just select the one you want. In this case, I like Google Chrome. That's the one that I always use. You click on it in that one. Not just that one. For maps, you can select for player. You want to click here. They give you the option. For music player, I want to use my VLC media player. You click on it and automatically change it to VLC media player. Photos, the same. They give you the options. Any software about photo that you have installed in your Windows 10, it will show you right here, so where you can select which one you want to open automatically. So, if you guys have any other questions or another comments or any ideas that you want me to show you how to do it, feel free to leave me a comment. Feel free to like my video. Please subscribe. It really will help. And I hope you guys like this video. Like I said before, I'm here to teach you guys to transmit the knowledge. And any ideas, any questions, feel free to subscribe, to leave the comment, and I will get back to you guys, and I will creating more videos. Thank you for watching. This is Tech Therapy Guy, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Bye.